What do you mean you left the coffee pot on? It was 4 hours ago. Are you sure? Alright.
Give me all your money. Move.
Is that a gun?
Oh, you bet it's a gun.
Oh, well, guess what? Now I got a gun too, motherfucker. That's not a gun, it's a Butterfinger. Give me the Butterfinger.
It is a family heirloom.
I'll trade you.
With a gun?
Of course with a gun. What are you talking about, my pants?
Okay.
There you go, man. There you go. Alright, got my Butterfinger.
Give me the Butterfinger.
Wait, what? Really? You do this now? Damn it. Sucker, Jimbo wasted all the bullets.
God damn it, Bubba, you always fucking leave me iron on.
Freeze! Give me all your money.
Is that a gun?
Don't be stupid. Give me all your money.
Is that a gun?
Yes?
What type of gun?
Don't be stupid. Give me all your money.
Fine. Fine.
Enjoy Butterfinger, man.
I don't even like Butterfinger.